Okay, this is part 2 of my GSXR brake improvement. These are the lines I'm going to install. Bought them used, front and rear. I'm more concerned with the front. I'm not much of a rear braker, but lines are included, complete kit. I'm going to go ahead and install them just because. Yesterday, or part 1's video, covers the lines and my initial thoughts, and I was hesitant to install it because I didn't want to. I just don't believe there's going to be much improvement. I did some reading, and the issue I read was this was going to solve it. So I've already tested the brake about 10 minutes ago. I don't know if you're going to see what I'm talking about, but my problem is the first pull, the brakes work, but they're soft. And the second pull, I have the lever feel that I want. Pads I'm okay with. I have RJL pads. I'm going to go ahead and change them while I'm down there. But the pads right now, I don't really have an issue with, but I'm going to go ahead and change them. So I'm going to see if this does it, the first pull. Yeah, so that's soft. That's the soft pull that I'm trying to avoid. I hope the stainless steel lines improve on. All right, there we go. Second, third pull. It's probably hard to see here in the video. Yeah, and it just keeps getting better and better. And I have bled the brakes. No air. The only difference is they're not stainless steel lines all the way through, and it's an ABS. I don't know how much it's attributed to the ABS. All right, ZX6R. This one I bled the other day. I have stainless steel lines on the front. This lever is a little softer than I would like, but it's consistent pull. Every time I pull it, this lever is consistent. It's probably hard to see in the video because you can't really feel it, but it's a consistent pull from the first one to the last one. Alright, finally, this is like my gold standard of brakes, or what I want my other two bikes to feel like, but I don't know. The only difference is a lever and the calipers, but stainless steel Spiegler lines, this is like exactly what I want. It's like I pull, the micro switch clicks and I start getting pressure instant. And it's a progressive pull. I mean, this is what I want all my bikes to feel like. All right, so the difference is, well, there's no difference really. They're all Nissin calipers. They're all stainless steel lines. Best wear pads on the ZX10 and on the GSXR. Spiegler lines on the ZX10. Galfer Superbike lines on the ZX6. And like I showed you, the Fren Tubo lines are the ones that I'm going to be putting on the GSXR, where I hope to eliminate that initial soft pull.